guess how you it's fine. Welcome Ejano. I went to story. Welcome Avons. I guess I gave lipstick. I this I go.
So it was my 4 years old baby's voiceover. So we tried to draw a tulip flower. I was trying to teach her, and I think in second chance she drew better for me. Every day is special for us. Every day we learn many things. And when it's your turn for the tiny babies, it's so full of happiness. It's our deepest pleasure when we see the result of learning process. And it's not the end, it's just the beginning. Let's check out our channel for more videos like this. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel to stay connected with us with Drawing Time with a Story. Stay safe, stay well, healthy. Bye.
Say bye.